Okay. Oh, the mic. The mic was on the whole time. That's good. Good. I wanted it to be. That was on purpose. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Coding Fanatic YouTube channel. I'm your host, Richard, and here at Coding Fanatic, I teach developers how to modernize your apps. If that sounds like content that you are interested in, then join the mailing list over at codingfanatic.com. Thank you all again for joining in. This is the 12th, 11th, 12th episode of the Building Apps Quickly live stream. Here I show you guys how to build your apps relatively quickly. So, if you are new to the channel, then you guys haven't seen this yet, have you? Recently, I worked on an app known as a super timer, which will be used to keep track of your workouts. It'll be like a workout companion while you're training. It'll keep track of your timers and your stopwatches. Everything is preset by you so that you can focus on your workout and just not have to look at the clock and get distracted and all that stuff. So it features the name of the workout, time remaining, reps remaining, and a seek bar to show your progress. When you hit start, it should start to deplete the progress bar, and so on and so forth. So we've already set up, this is the version 1. This is what I want it to look like for now. It's bare bones, very simple, very straightforward. You just have the name of the workout, the time, reps, and everything like this. So I'm gonna go ahead and deploy this to the Google Play Store. Now, I understand that this is not the final version. Know that this is not the final version of the app, but I wanted to get in the habit of deploying anytime I have a major release. So far, this based from the hello world blank canvas to now, this is ready to go. So tonight we're gonna go over how exactly you go about deploying your apps to the App Store. Let me make sure you guys can actually see that. Looks a little big on my screen. I'm just gonna do a quick little sound check and we should be good. Make sure that my microphone is like we are ready to go. Okay, so I'm just gonna open up my Trello board here. Okay. Okay, so the first step in building out your app is you're going to have to set up your follow the screen requirements for the Google Play Store. Now, I just so happen to have, excuse me, I just so happen to have a link to a Stack Overflow post that explains how to set up these requirements. Google says you should have at least one 7-inch and one 10-inch tablet screenshot. Okay. All right, so this is the Android website. They go into more details here on the different requirements that you need. But because I already have something set up, I'm just gonna go with that. See, way back in the day, in the days of my previous Salesman's Travel app, the first app that I ever deployed to the Play Store, I made note of all of this information. So I'm just gonna go ahead and make a copy of those. Where are you? screenshots. Okay, it's not in there. Okay, got it. So for those of you who are veterans, you or are longtime viewers, you know that I already have a few. I'd set up some images I could use. So there are 4 images total that you need. One has to be 1024 by 500. You need the icon, which should be 512 by 512, and another one that's 1024 by 1024. And lastly, another screenshot that is 1080 by 2220. Once you have all 4 of these set up, you can upload them to your Play Store listing and deploy your app to production. So we're gonna just go ahead and we're going to make a copy and a, oh wait, no, we're just gonna let's copy these. Why not? Wait, I think did I do this already? Hang on a minute. I think I already did this. Let me see something here. 1024 by 500, check. 512 by 512, check. And I guess I just don't have another icon that's 1024 by 1024. That's the only thing I'm missing. So I already made these a while back. Check. And this is the last one here. So here's what I'll do. Copy paste this and we'll call this one icon bigger. Okay, now we'll go into good old Microsoft Paint. Highlight and resize this bad boy. Maintain aspect ratio to 1024 by 1024. And there we go. Okay, we have all 4 images that we need. Perfect. I'm gonna head back to my little checklist on Trello here. Set screen requirements in the Android manifest. Ah, yes, that's right. So it's more than just having the right images. You also have to update the Android manifest. Okay, I don't know what's in there. To get a new wireless card for this laptop. All right, so the first step is to set up the screen requirements in the Android manifest. So let's see. Screens, compatible screen. 7 and 10. Look at support screen. Publish this. The settings in your Android manifest file control which devices your app is available to. You can set a screen size or density restriction in your manifest. Look at support screens and compatible screens. Will do. Okay, and syntax compatible screens. Cool. So what we'll do is open up the manifest here. Dude, what is happening with this thing, man? All right. We are updating the support. Update support screens. Supported and compatible screens. How about that? Okay, supported and compatible screens. All right, so we can add this to the manifest. Let's open this up. Okay. Resizable, true or false. Small screen, true or false. Let you specify the screen size your application supports and enable screen compatibility modes for screens larger than what your application supports. It's important that you always use this element in your application to specify the screen sizes your application supports. Okay. Let's copy and paste this bad boy and see what happens. Seem to be some problems here. Resizable, let's just say true. Alright, small screens, we'll say also equals true. Normal screens, we'll say true. I think it'd be easier if I just copy this. Right here. Large screens, we're gonna support everything. Let's just support everything, why not? I'm still new to require smallest width DP, compatible with limit DP, largest with limit DP. Alright, require smallest width DP. Specifies the minimum smallest width required. It's the shortest dimension of the screen in DP. A typical handset screen has the smallest width of 320 DP. Cool, let's do that, 320. I don't think this needs quotes. Does it? Nope. Compatible with limit. Maximum smallest screen width for your application. Excuse me. Current screen. It's only handsets with a 320 dp width, so screen compatibility is not applied if you're Android. Limit dp is larger than 320. Huh. Okay. Tell you what, let's Google this and see if we can find something else that someone else has done. And that should actually help a ton, because then we don't have to sit here and try to figure everything out on our own. Let's say Android sample support screen. Supporting different screen sizes. Android and multi-window support. Samples. 12 Android login screen designs. No. Supporting multiple screens. No. Let's check out this Medium article and see. By Munir Hossein. Oh, this is 4 years old. I don't even know if this is still relevant. We can just skim through it. Screen size, screen density, resolution, use wrap content, match parent, use relative layout, use size qualifiers. I don't know if this is what I'm looking for exactly. Yeah, this is a no. You know what? Let's just give it a whirl. Let's try just setting everything to 320 DP and see what happens. Largest width limit DP. Maybe there will be some additional clues in here. If your apply for value for is larger than 320. Well, we'll just do 320 DP for everything, and if it causes any issues, then we can always come back and fix it later. This is something that I'm not all too familiar with, so I have no problem coming back here to fix this at a later date once we understand all what we're looking for. So we're gonna do 320 DP all around. Okay. Next, we need the compatible screens setting as well. I don't know where his pen goes. All right. The heck? Where's the link I was just looking at? Compatible screens. Okay. Specifies the screen size for this screen configuration. Accepted values. Okay. Compatible screens. Does not read the compatible screen. Manifest element. Now that in store time, element is informational. It may be used by external services. Specifies each config with which the application is compatible. Only one instance of the compatible screen element is allowed in the manifest, but it can contain multiple screen elements. Each screen element specifies a specific screen density combination and with which the application is compatible. Okay, so then what we could do is copy and paste two, three, four. Okay, so we got small here. We'll do normal for this one. Large for this one. And extra large for the last one. Okay. Screen density. We'll do this first one. Medium. Extra high. Okay. What's that last one? Oh, I see. It's the actual number of them. Let's just keep it as is, shall we? Let's go with this. So So while I do this, I just wanted to let viewers know that I'm going to do a little rebranding with Coding Fanatic. I originally wanted to do something that would help new Android developers with growing quickly. I came into Android development just trying to build a tile to fix my mom's old phone. This was like maybe 6 years ago. And for some reason her phone did not come with a mobile data tile installed. Tiles are used to toggle like your Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, all that stuff. You pull down the notification bar. These guys up here. Why am I even... the camera's not even really on me right now. These guys up here, okay? These are all tiles. At least that's what they used to be called. I think they renamed them in Android 12. But as far as I know, they've always been called tiles. So when you click on each of these, it toggles a function of the phone. Right? You can toggle your Wi-Fi, your Bluetooth, and so on. So my mother's phone did not come with these tiles pre-installed, or not all of them. It didn't come with a mobile data tile specifically. And because my mother is in her 60s and new to technology, getting her to go into settings and go to network and toggle her mobile data manually was a no. So rather than go and buy a new phone altogether, I thought, why don't I just design a mobile data tile for my mom's phone? So that's what I did. I worked on it and I learned about tiles, and that's how I got into Android development. But along the way, I couldn't find very well documented information, and I had to do a lot of digging. And so that inspired me to start Coding Fanatic, to teach new Android developers how to grow quickly and efficiently. Not by putting up a website with a whole bunch of ads and pop-ups and all these other things so that I can get ad revenue. Not by trying to sell you some ebook, but strictly and just telling you, oh, you want to learn how to do this? If you buy my book, it's in the book or anything. No, I wanted to put the information out there, figure it out on my own, compile it into something that's digestible, and then put it out there for you, the new Android developers who don't quite know where to get started. And over the years, I've helped a lot of people who've talked and told me like, oh, I want to do Android development, but I don't know where to start. Or, they feel overwhelmed because they want to build things. They just don't know how to get on it. So ideally, I wanted to help the newer developers with getting their feet wet and getting started. But over time, I haven't found like a specific thing that I can help with. I just wanted to help. That's always been the message, is I just want to help, right? So now I'm focusing more on modern apps, and specifically, if we really want to niche down, I'm talking about recycler views. Recycler views let you see an entire list of information here. So when I'm done with this app, it's going to have multiple workouts that you can scroll through and start and pause and all that other stuff. This is just the first one, but once I get past this stage of deploying this to the Play Store, then I'm going to focus on adding in the recycler views so you guys can actually scroll through it. Well, not right away, but the point is, moving forward with Coding Fanatic, my main focus will be with building apps that have a recycler view and a list of information that you can scroll through. So that's like, feeds are one of the number one things you see in social media apps now. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Reddit, everything has some scrollable list, right? That's what you need for your apps to be modern. If you are a new developer and you want to build an app, if you want to build a social media app, if you want to build a marketing app, or some marketplace app, or some large amount of information, combine it and display to a user, you're going to need a recycler view. So that's going to be my focus moving forward with Coding Fanatic. I only wish that I'd realized this sooner, but it's okay. We're all along for the ride, right? All right, so I'm going to take a quick little break. Now that I've got the manifest set up, I'm going to move forward and get to the cool stuff, which is deploying it to the Play Store. So I'm going to take a quick break and I'll be right back. Make sure my microphone is muted. Did you miss me? I'm back. Okay. So we've added the support screens. We've added in the screens that are the supported and compatible screens into the Android manifest. All right, next. Generate the bundle. All right. Let's see here. Build bundle. So next we build the bundle that we're going to deploy to the Play Store under build and build bundle APKs and go to build bundle. Simple enough. Nice. Okay, it's done. Now we generated the bundle. Now we create a new release, which we can do in the Play Store. So give me 1 second here, guys. Just gonna make sure everything is as it should be. Here we are in the Google Play console, and I already have the what in the heck in the heck is going on here, man? It's not my internet. As far as I know, it's still up. I hope. All the apps and games. Yeah, I don't know what is happening here. Let's go to the activity log. No, nothing. There we go. Let's try refreshing a page. Okay, that's better. I thought I'd already added this app. I guess I didn't. So this is the perfect opportunity to create an app. And we're gonna call this one, let me check the Play Store to make sure the name is not already taken. The Clock Watcher. This is an app and it's free. You go into those, you can't change a free app to paid. Okay. You can edit this until you publish your app. Once you publish, you can't change a free app to paid. Cool. Maybe I should make it paid. Why the heck not, right? Yeah. Let's make it a paid app. definitely meets the developer program policies, and I accept US export laws. It's a paid app. Let's do it. Maybe I should make it free and then have paid features. Oh, internets. Release your app for internal testing without review. Right. Let's create a new release. So under releases, release overview, we are going to maybe it's under production. Let's check there. Aha! Under production, release, then production, and create your release. Alright, and we're going to upload the bundle. So give me 1 second here. To be honest, I don't even remember where these bundles go. So, okay. Let's check on Google real quick. Android Studio bundle save location. There's no way to save in your store. Save current. App bundle directory. Let's see if that's it. That's it. Okay, this doesn't tell you where it goes either. Oh man, where does that thing output to? App build outputs. Bundle. Debug. App dash debug. Is that the right one? I don't know if that's right, because that says debug on it. I don't think that's the right one. Let's double check. Generate a signed bundle. There we go. Alright, so we go to Android app bundle and go to next, and can't show all of this information, but we do need to see where the key store is located. And go to release. Alright. I knew something was off. So instead of, if you plan on updating the app, which presumably you will. Then you want to go to bundle and generate signed bundle APK, not bundles and then build bundle. Go to generate signed bundle / APK. Here we go. It's all coming back to me now. App bundles generated successfully for module super. All right, it's done. Nice. App build, no, app release. Oh, just open it. Uploading app release .aab. You upload an APK with an ambiguous screen filtering setting. You specified requires smallest with DP, which shadows the also specified compatible screen settings. Okay, well, then let's take this piece of text here and go back into our Android manifest and make some changes. All right, you upload ambiguous screen filtering setting. You specified requires smallest with DP. Requires smallest. Oh, I wonder if I can just remove those, and that clashes with what's in the compatible screen setting. I wonder if I could just comment all this out, and also just keep this as. Let's see what happens. Yeah, so I'm going to comment out all these requirements: compatibility, largest width, requires smallest width DP, all that stuff. And I'm going to also comment out the compatible screen section. And we're just going to keep support screens as normal, true, normal, small, normal, large, extra large, and any density, and that it supports any of these. All right, now I'm going to go back and I guess, yeah, let's go to build and generate signed bundle. On another bundle too. Oh, okay, that was quick. Upload. Yep, this should be the one. You need to use a different package name because it's already used by one of your other applications. Impossible. But I don't have any other applications. Don't you believe me? All apps. Oh, I do. That's right. I actually already set this up. How did I not notice that? Guys, when you go to the Google Play console, you go to all apps, make sure that if you don't see your app on the first page, go to the next page. There it is. All right, so I guess I don't have to make a brand new application after all, but because I like this name, Clock Watcher, I'm going to get rid of the Super Timer app that I already have. So what we're going to do is take this off the Play Store so that I can use this package for something else. maybe I don't have to do that. Let's see if I can just change the name of the package and see if that changes anything. I will just build a new sign bundle. This way I don't have to give up the clock watcher name. All right. Where is that again? Okay. You need to use a different package name because coding super timer is already in use. I am confused. Maybe I should delete this one because the package here says something else entirely. Android label string app underscore name. Ay. Package clock watcher. Android themes. That's something about super timer. Alright, now let's try building. Now that we've updated the package name in the manifest, let's try generating that signed APK, that signed bundle one more time. And guys, I promise this is probably the most difficult part, is just making sure that you got all your T's crossed and your I's dotted. Unresolved reference super timer. Oh, yeah, I'll have to change that to clock watcher. What? Activity main, binding, activity main. Oh, this should be good. Main activity.kt. Let's check the app module. That might have something to do with application ID. There we go. Okay. So definitely want to update the name of package. So if you're going to change your package name, you need to update the application ID under default config in the app module. Build.gradle. You also need to do it in the Android manifest. Okay, and of course in main activity.kotlin. right, those are the 3 places where you need to update the name of the package. And once that is complete, you should be able to generate a signed bundle with no problem. Okay. So now we hit upload. Oh, the music ended. All right, but we got it though. We got it. Hey. All right, so app bundle version 1.0, release name version 1.0. You so you can identify. I'm gonna call this one. Okay, looks like we're back. I don't know what happened with my internet, but for some reason it went out. But here we are. So release name applesauce 1. Release notes. This version comes with the static workout timer. Additional functionality will be included in the next release. Okay. Save. Alright, so after you save it, go to review release. Errors. Your app cannot be published yet. Complete the steps listed in the dashboard. Go to dashboard. You must let us know whether your app is a COVID-19 contact tracing. Please add a full description to your store listing, and no countries or regions have been selected for this track. At least one country or region to roll out this release. Alright, so it looks like we still have some more work to do before this app is ready to go out onto the Play Store. But I think this is a good stopping place for now. So what did we do tonight? We updated the Android manifest. It's better if I show you. We updated the Android manifest and we added the support section here. So it supports screens of any size and any density. We built the bundle by going to build and generate signed bundle APK, which lets you use a key store to confirm that you are the person who actually owns the application. And after that, we changed the name because I came up with a better name for the app. So in order to change the name, we have to go to the Android manifest and update the package name right here in the package name. Go to the app module and update the application ID under default config, and of course change the package name here in main activity. So we updated all those to clock watcher instead of super timer, which I think is a better name. But yeah, that's about it. I can honestly say that I can see this app going pretty far. We made some real progress too. We also created a new application and started setting up a new release, but of course there are additional configuration changes we have to make, but I will leave that for next time. So thank you all again for tuning in to the Coding Fanatic YouTube channel. I'm your host Richard, and again here at Coding Fanatic, I teach new developers how to build modern apps using recycler views. Scrollable apps. We'll get the slogan down eventually, but yeah. If you guys like content like this, you can join the mailing list over at codingfanatic.com. Every week I put out the new You letter. It's a newsletter, get it? For a new version of you. I go over some of my some of my things that I did well on, some of the pitfalls, and things I'm going to do differently each week, and I pass my advice on to you. And of course, you guys are free to let me know what you guys think. What do you, some of my methods and tools that I use might be a little outdated. So if you have some tools or some suggestions or anything like that, man, drop some comments in the video, or hit me on my email when I hit you guys with the new you letter. But yeah, all that being said, hit me on social media in the links below. Join the mailing list at Coding Fanatic, and of course tune in every Wednesday for a new episode of the Building Apps Quickly live stream. So all that being said, I'm your host Richard Clark signing out, and I'll see you all on the next one. Peace. Nailed it.